Alright, thanks for tuning in this evening. Today we're going to talk about air conditioning control blower switch. Keep watching. So basically whenever I turn this knob and the one in the truck, the speed really doesn't change. It just like stays the same speed, and you can see this says low to high. So I found out you can take this little module out and replace it. Now this is a whole another assembly from another truck, but come to find out the one in this 95 is completely different on the back side. I'll show you here in a minute when I take it out. Turn this fan off a minute for this. Alright, so you can see here. See, the fronts are exactly the same. But look at the boards and all that. So this is like a newer generation. And this is a 95 now. Everybody keeps saying the 95 is unique. But I'm pretty sure this module here and this module here are exactly the same. So I'm gonna take that one out and put it here because I can't put this one in because this one has double connectors. This one only has one. So that's where we're at on that. So we're gonna try it and see what happens. If so, this will be an easy fix for other people down the road. Instead of buying this whole thing, just buy this little switch. And there's just some little tabs down in here. Woo! And there we go. It's just a little bitty, like, looks like a little linear actuator switch. And then the rest of these dadgum stuff. Almost makes me think, why couldn't you take this apart and put it on there? But that's the other thing. This thing is so brittle from being super old. Alright, so basically I was able to swap the sensor over, but this stuff is super brittle because it's so old. And I was able to change the knobs. You can hear it now. It's got some nice clicking sound. So we'll see what happens. Put her back together here. Alright. Stuff this wiring back in here. Kind of tough to get back in because there's some little slots in the back. You have to be lined up just right. Go. I basically screwed me some screws in it because it wouldn't hold itself down. Hate when that happens. Alright, so let's see what happens. Alright, I wanted to show y'all here. Got the cluster back in here together, and listen to this. It's key here. Listen to that. She is blowing real good now. Real strong now. So basically, and then you can hear, now you can hear the different fan speeds. So now we actually have different fan speeds instead of it just being like stuck on mid-range. Now we at least have a high. Turn this off. So now we at least have a high now when I turn it, and you can hear the switches. So that's pretty good. Worked out great. I basically had to dissect one into another, but worked pretty good. So stay tuned tomorrow for some more added content, because look what we have. We have boxes galore of more parts. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.